Good morning. So today I'm doing an oil change and a spark plugs on this 2018 GP1800R. So what I like to use is this Yamaha oil change kit, and I'm using these spark plugs right here. Do your research if you want to run a hotter or colder plug, but I'm also going to be using this electric oil pump here. You can use the manual one, but you will need an oil pump either way. So let's go ahead, get everything ready to roll and get this oil pumped out. So you can start by taking the dipstick out and putting your smallest tube from your oil pump all the way down into the bottom through the dipstick tube. So all you got to do is just jam this tube down in there and let the pump do the rest. It'll pump it out, give it a couple minutes. While that's pumping out, go ahead and grab your 10mm, start popping off your ignition coils. So to get these connectors off is just a simple push down, push in, and pull out. And you will not break these if you do it that way. So push the clip down, push it in, pull it out. Go ahead and slide those back. Go ahead and pop these off. Then just take your 5/8 socket wrench, crack everything loose. Right around this time, your oil will be done. Go and flick that off, pull everything out, set it off to the side. So when you're doing these spark plugs, you just want to go hand tight and then go about 1/2 to 2/3 of a turn extra. It's right about there. So just want to get it bottomed out. Okay, let's go right around 1/2 to 2/3 extra. Easy enough. Go ahead and get your coils thrown back in. You can put all your bolts back in after that. So the oil filter on the ski is incredibly easy to get to. Just right here on the side. I like to throw some rags underneath this in case anything spills out. And then up we go. So I like using these Yamaha oil change kits. You can use pretty much any Marine 10W40, but I like using this one. It comes with your filter and your Yamaha lube. And this stuff is it's designed for the ski. So that's what I like to run. I like putting just a little bit of oil in there so that it doesn't have a dry start whenever you first crank the ski. And then I like to go ahead and grease up this seal a little bit too, or oil the seal up. Once I get that oil filter on, I like taking a rag, just kind of wiping the side of the making sure it's clean. But now we are ready to go ahead and get a funnel, fill this puppy up. Once you've got your 4 quarts of the finest in there, go ahead and throw your fill cap back on. Take your dipstick, put that back in, and we can go ahead and give her a test hit. See how she runs. And that's pretty much it on the oil change and spark plugs on this ski. And I would kind of like to know what spark plugs y'all are running. This ski is about a stage 2.5, light tune, blow-off valve. It's got the turbo shaft upgrade, free flow and all that stuff. So just let me know what y'all think about this. I appreciate it. Y'all, thanks for watching. Keep wrenching, keep it wide open. We'll see you on the next one.